So the bike broke down. Bearings were alright up there. They were knackered down there. They're over there. They're all broken. I'm gonna have to get new bearings set for the bottom bracket. Again, bike is only €50. I'm gonna strip all this down, get it to where I want it, then we should be painting it next week. So stay tuned. I'm gonna clean out all this. Took out the shocks, took off the handlebars, have it all down to bare bones. Nothing left on it. So I'm gonna try and get these out, and I'm going to start sending it down for next week. So stay tuned. So just sanding the bike back to bare metal, an aluminium frame, so it won't rust even if I left it out in the rain. Still don't know the name of the bike. There's nothing on it. There's a code there, but I'll check it out online later. Yeah, broke it down in about an hour. Took it all apart. It's going to be a nice little project for me. It might take me a couple of weeks to source some parts to finish. My colour scheme, I'm going to run, as I said, one up front, might do 11 or 12 at the back. It's just different. It was white, kind of hard to see there, and I didn't like the white. Anyway, changing the colour, so that's where I am. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make up a press to put the bearings in. I'll make it out of a bit of threaded bar and 2 plates of steel instead of paying €20 for one. Same thing. Yeah, that's basically it now. Just using the orbital sander to get the majority of it. I'll put that into the shed, and then we'll crack on. Now, people have said to me, why didn't you use chemicals? I don't want to. And you get a better finish when you sand it with your hand. So I did an 80 and 120, and it's nice and smooth. I'll put that away, and I'll come back next week I'm gonna get primer and paint and start painting it up. Okay, leave it there. Thanks guys.